us a pleasant and comfortable feeling.
नव्या धीरे
Yes.
बोलो ना, दूसरों को भी मौका दो.
Page number 228, first paragraph,
28,
last
yes.
line. The sounds which give us a pleasant and comfortable feeling, we call such sound as musical sound.
Pleasant sound as musical sound. Yes, page number 228. The first paragraph, third last line. Sounds give us a pleasant and comfortable feeling. We call such pleasant sound as musical sound. Till here, all of you have marked question number D.
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
सबका marking हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को
Yes,
कोई
ma'am.
दिक्कत है किसी
मैम
question में?
D5 मैम D5
D5. D5 first loudness, write down amplitude. And pitch of the sound, write down frequency.
मैम D7
D7. Page number 228. Come to page 228. First paragraph, third last line. Sound give us a pleasant and comfortable feeling. We call such pleasant sound as musical sound.
मैम D6.
D6.
D.
D6 is first one, A is male voice and B is female's voice. Or
मैम
हो गया
D4
सबका? D4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, define the following terms and also write the SI unit. Come to page number 224. Amplitude, time period and frequency of vibration का जो paragraph है ना, उसका second last line. This maximum लिखा हुआ है, आप लिखिए the maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either side of its central position is called called its amplitude. Example, SI unit of amplitude is meter. In the same page, the second one is there. The vibrating body completes its one cycle of to and fro motion in a fixed time interval. This time interval is called its time period. SI unit is second. And frequency, a vibrating body completes a fixed number of cycles of vibration in 1 second. This number is known as its frequency. The SI unit of frequency is hertz. Now you have completed all the D questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम टाइम पीरियड
Now
में भी लिख
come
सकते
to
हैं ना
the-
टाइम टेकन टू कंप्लीट वन ऑसिलेशन
Pardon?
मैम टाइम पीरियड में टाइम टेकन टू कंप्लीट वन ऑसिलेशन भी लिख सकते हैं
हाँ, वही लिखना है. Time taken.
टू
आप
कंप्लीट
यहाँ
वन
से वो ऐसे
ऑसिलेशन
डायरेक्टली नहीं लिखिए. आपका कुछ आंसर का स्टैंडर्ड होना चाहिए ना, जो मार्क करवाना लिखो ना वहां से. 224. The vibrating body completes its one cycle of to and fro motion in a fixed interval of time. This time interval is called as time period. हर समय क्लास 1-2 के बच्चे ही बने रहना चाहते हो? शॉर्टकट मेथड. हाँ? Behave like a grown-up children. Answer the following question. Explain briefly the mechanism of production of sound in human beings.
Page number
Page number
220, second
220.
paragraph. It is the voice box or the larynx of the human body system that helps us to produce the sound. The voice box has two vocal cords stretched across it. They are stretched across the voice box in such a way that there is a narrow gap or slit between them. Air can pass through that slit. The lungs force the air through this slit between the vocal cords, and this make them to vibrate and produce sound.
हाँ. And also थोड़ा और आगे बढ़िए इसको और elaborate करना है. The human body has muscles attached to the vocal cord. These muscles can pull the attached ligament and make the vocal
हम
cord
किस पेज नंबर से
tighter or loosen and thinner or
Page
thicker.
number
These
220.
these changes in the vocal cord help the pitch of the sound produced and make its shriller or flatter. यहाँ तक लिखना है इसमें. Starting from page
please
number
repeat.
20, page number 20, 220. 220 में आइए. Second paragraph complete. It is the voice box still slit. And the third paragraph, from the lungs force the air till shriller or flatter. Marking हो गया?
फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में कहाँ से कहाँ
Yes,
तक?
ma'am.
पूरा फर्स्ट नहीं पैराग्राफ है, सेकंड पैराग्राफ है. 220 पेज का सेकंड पैराग्राफ कंप्लीट और थर्ड का द लंग्स फोर्स एयर से लेकर फ्लैटर तक.
मैं फ्लैटर तक.
हाँ, फ्लैटर, श्रिलर और फ्लैटर.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. देन
Okay,
कम
ma'am.
टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आ जाते हैं हम लोग. How does the mechanism of production of sound in birds differ from that in human beings?
Page number 221, second point. Birds have a ring of cartilage called the sign rings. They use it in their voice box to produce their characteristic sounds. Whereas human beings produce sound by their vocal cords.
हाँ, but आप लिखिएगा but human beings. But in human beings produce sound with the help of vocal cord. ठीक है. पहले सेकंड पैराग्राफ का बर्ड्स के बारे में डिस्क्राइब कर लो. Birds have a ring of cartilage, still characteristic sound, and as you have to compare it with human sound, so you will write, but in human being, the sound is produced with the help of vocal cord. Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next question. Describe a simple experiment to show that sound cannot propagate through vacuum. Come to
Page
the
number
Bell jar
200.
222. Bell jar experiment given on page 222, activity number 6. How will you write the activity? First, you will write materials required. क्या-क्या material उसमें चाहिए experiment करने के लिए? First, you
Bell
will
jar,
write
small bell jar.
materials required. इसमें आप क्या-क्या लिखोगे? Bell,
Rubber
jar,
cork,
cork, adhesive, then vacuum pump. These are the materials or things that is required in the experiment. Then you come to your book, page number 222. Take a small bell jar. All the processes will be from the book. You will write the process. The second point is procedure or process. Procedure लिखने के बाद आप book से लिखो. Take a small bell jar. Start from there and till you will no longer hear the sound of the bell when the jar is shaken. यहाँ तक आपको process में लिखना है, procedure में. Starting from take a bell jar. Then the last point will be conclusion. As you are writing the experiment, so you have to conclude it. Conclusion, what you have derived from that experiment.
मैम प्रोसीड्यूर कहाँ तक लिखना है?
प्रोसीड्यूर आपको लिखना है उसका एक्टिविटी का जो सेकंड पैराग्राफ का जार इज शेकन, वहां तक लिखना है.
ओके मैम.
देन यू राइट कंक्लूजन.
यस मैम, लिख लिया.
कंक्लूजन में लिखो कंक्लूजन में फिर बुक से ही लिखना है. You may
Page
see the
number?
bell. Now just see. कौन तुम लोग लेट ज्वाइन करते हो क्या? 222 में हम बात कर रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर
डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रहा है इसलिए मैम बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रहा है.
कंक्लूजन लिखो पहले. हम बता रहे हैं यहाँ से. You may see the bell vibrating, but you do not hear its ringing sound. This is because of the absence of air in the jar. This shows that sound needs a medium for its propagation. This point you will write in conclusion. Start
Ma'am,
from
पूरा activity
page
लिखना है.
222. क्या?
मैम पूरा एक्टिविटी लिखना है.
हाँ तो आधा एक्टिविटी लिखोगे क्या? आधा में करते करते छोड़ देना है एक्टिविटी को. अप्लाई योर कॉमन सेंस ऑल्सो. एक्टिविटी अगर आप स्टार्ट करोगे तो एक्टिविटी को पूरा करोगे ना, कि हाफ में छोड़ दोगे उसको. Start from page 222. Materials required I have written over here. Process you will start from the book activity 6. Take a small bell jar till jar is shaken. And conclusion you will write from you may see the bell vibrating till propagation. And draw this diagram also. Diagram which is given on page number 222. सबका हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
चलिए. Next. On a hot summer day, a little mosquito produces a warning sound near your ear by vibrating its wing at the rate of 3000 wings beat per second, per 5 seconds. State the frequency in hertz of this sound. कैसे निकालोगे?
600 hertz.
3000 divided by 5, that will result in 600
3000
hertz.
3000 by 5 is equal to 600.
3000 divided by 5.
Calculate in the same way. 3000 divided by 5, you will get the answer 600 hertz. Explain why we always hear the thunder, a little after we see the flash of lightning.
Page number 224. Light propagates, first paragraph. Light propagates very fast as compared to the sound. The speed of sound in air is nearly 330 meters per second, whereas the speed of light in vacuum is high as 3 lakh kilometers per second. Light thus propagates nearly 1,000,000 times faster than the sound. Hence, when lightning and thundering occur together, the flash of light reaches us in practically 0 time. The sound of the thunder, however, takes a few seconds to reach us. We therefore hear the thunder a little after seeing the flash of light.
Okay, correct. You start from the speed of sound. Page number 224, second paragraph. The speed of sound in air is nearly 330 meters per second till flash of light. ठीक है? All of you have got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Asking those who are very slow. हो गया है तो बोलिए आप लोग. Okay, the next question. Define loudness and pitch. Page number
225.
225.
The amplitude of sound.
The amplitude of a sound determines its loudness. More the amplitude